I don't know. Where did you put it, Irene? Huh?
It's Glenda house. It's in Glenda house.
I no more. Where did you put it, Irene?
It's in Glenda house. I cannot check it in Glenda house. Down here. I keep looking in Glenda house.
It's Glenda. Did you put it in the Glenda house? No, there's no. Tinuldas na.
Sabat me that.
Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up. I really sleep now. Daddy put inside. Yay!
Say hello, Alaska.
It was like
Hon. How are you? Sige. Ha?
Ini pala yung grama. Kasi
Ah.
lola.
What's that? Huh? Good. You sit down there.
No, you just go ahead.
Come on.
I don't want to take it.
Let's take it there.
Ayaw daw makita siya sa Batchoy. Grandma daw siya.
She knows me already.
Yeah.
Kunin mo ng close-up.
Pat there.
Darling,
There.
Superman and Supergirl.
Man, yeah.
You know Halloween?
Yeah. You ready for Halloween?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna go trick or treat and then they're gonna
No.
give you candy.
Halloween is just and it's gonna skirt.
Say something then.
Oh, okay.
Halloween.
Hello, Grandma.
Hello, Alaska.
Alaska.
Halloween gonna skirt.
Send me some cold weather here.
Cold weather is too hot over here.
Yeah.
Watch your
Snow.
and say something.
Snow.
Say hello, Lola.
You say hello?
Eric, come here.
Yeah, Cecile.
Gotcha!
And everybody, kumusta po sa kanilang lahat? Nandito na kami sa Philippines. 2 months. Almost 3. I win now.
Ano pa?
Then we just get out from work.
I'm tired.
Yeah. Nakarating lang niya. To take us the airport.
4:30?
Go to bed.
No sweet.
2 o'clock.
Just drive the van there.
Yeah, later.
Later, I'm gonna be sleeping in the morning.
Tingnan mo bapon. Yung
Ano
mag-aaral bukas? Pagpira niya ate. Where? No, it's not. Can we come out to the other skin?
She's sleeping.
Oh, chocolate.
Yeah, sige.
You get the wrong ice cream.
Hello, Grandma.
I get no cake. I give you when you go home. I give you cake. Yeah.
Oh, sige, tanong.
Ay, tingnan mo na yung cake. Papangalan mo ulit. Tingnan mo na yan eh. Wala, ako pa ito.
Sige, sweet. Sige.
This is our house. 4 bedrooms.
Yes.
4 bedrooms. This is the TV room.
Study room and TV room.
coloring book gusto niya main ng Jessica Banana coloring book. Magkano yan?
Still plenty more, man.
Saka, kita mo rin pang langte.
What's that movie?
Kung po ang birthday na
I don't know. I gotta watch a movie tonight. I gotta return it tomorrow.
Oh, you gonna watch movie tonight?
Yeah, because I gotta return it tomorrow.
What time? What kind of movie?
Purple Heart.
Ano na kaya?
That's a nice movie, Purple Heart. That's a long movie too.
Is it?
1 hour and 6. Yeah, it's more than 1 hour. 92 minutes maybe.
Magkano yun? 95. Naging 1.
Michelle. Michelle, yeah. Ang collection niya sa kan. There.
See ya. Here, look me.
Wait, wait.
Look me.
Yeah, okay.
Here.
Don't say it like.
Open. Now take it. Unfair.
I'm tired of it. I just got home.
Don't eat the cake down there. You go to the table.
Come back here and eat the cake.
Yeah, come on. Come on.
Come on, Erwin.
Come on, Aaron. Go to the table down. Come on. Shh.
There.
That's. Come on. You stay there.